Okay, we are going to play an adjective.
Go start. Go ahead.
Number 1. Garfield doesn't put much energy in his work. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer. Very nice.
Okay.
Number 2. Amy loves talking to people and socializing. She is. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer. Well done.
Nice.
Number 4. My brother George is ready.
It's a little picture. Bueno, look at this. Very nice.
Look at this picture and answer that question. His bedroom is always tidy. Look at the picture. What happened with the friends?
Nice, very nice, Anna. Thank you.
Number 5.
Natalie, you can do it, Natalie.
Number 5. He's very tall. He's very brilliant. He has got a long brown beard. And he is very fat and his nose is big. Look at the picture. What is the correct answer?
Boy, Natalie, very nice, Natalie.
Well done.
Okay. What happened? Okay.
Sentence 6. He is inconsiderate. What he does things that hurts on every know you without thinking about your feelings. Question number 7. She's a valiant woman. She's a good blonde, curly red hair. Very nice. Well done. Very nice, Dana. Sentence letter A. He's a young man. He's 11. He is short and slim. He has also he has got glasses. What is the correct answer? Look at this picture.
Okay, no. Tengo esta mano.
Sentence letter 9. He has not got any hair. He is ta-ta-ta-ta, and his nose is very small. Look at the border line.
Okay, Marisol. Okay, congratulations for Dana, Natalie, and Marisol. I suppose this is Mariana, yes? Yes, it's nice. You have 2 points. You have points 1. Okay, you have 3 points for Dana, 2 points for Natalie, and 1 point for Mariana. Yes? It's very nice. It's a multi game. Okay, my friends. That's just the end. Thank you for this class. I hope I have any worksheets, and I share in the chat. Wait a moment. I share in the chat about the link for you a little homework. Okay. And when you have a time, please can you resolve for the all parents, can you resolve the worksheet? And can you send me the question, okay? For the two topics about this. This is my material, authentic material.
Teacher, ¿el link también es para hacer un ejercicio o es el material de la clase? Es que no le entendí.
Yes, son dos words, two words for
Ah,
you can practice, and this is a PowerPoint for the topic. Yes. For
Yes,
the
thank
time,
you.
okay. For the time, okay. This is the ending about the class. Or can you forget this topic? Can you